Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Mammee Bay and we're giving you a tour of the Tropix Mammee Bay development. That's the tall building there. It's 24 residential apartments, and in the background that is Draxall. Thousands of homes in Draxall. Very nice homes, modern gated communities. But the The video today is about the tropics. Now, the new trend in Jamaica, especially on the north coast, is luxury apartments. Now, these apartments have all the amenities like a hotel, but they're not a hotel. But they have all the amenities of a hotel and they are doing very well. They call it luxury. Oh, there's a name for it. I'll tell you in a little bit. And a lot of developments in Montego Bay follow this model. A lot of and a lot of the developments in Saint Anne are following this model also. And Mammee Bay is between Ocho Rios and Draxall, and it's one of the areas that has a lot of developments taking place. China Harbour Engineering Company is building a massive development just across the road, well, further off in Mammee Bay, over 800 units. This building is 24 units, and the other development is 800 units. So we're going to give you an update on what's happening here. Tropix Mammee Bay is a boutique residential development rising along the scenic coastline of Mammee Bay St. Anne, one of Jamaica's fastest growing real estate zones. Designed for comfort, security, and modern living, the project reflects the changing face of housing on the island's north coast. The development features a limited number of luxury apartments, giving it an exclusive, low-density feel. Units are designed to maximize natural light and ocean views, blending contemporary architecture with the relaxed atmosphere of seaside living. Its location, just minutes from the north-south highway, makes it easy to commute to Ocho Rios, Kingston, and Montego Bay. Tropix Mammee Bay offers resort-style amenities, including 24-hour security, swimming pool, rooftop entertainment space, a gym, elevator access, and backup water and power systems. These features make it attractive not only to homeowners, but also to investors and vacation rental buyers. As Mammee Bay continues to attract major housing and tourism developments, Tropix stands out as a smaller, refined project focused on lifestyle and convenience. It represents a growing demand for secure, modern coastal residences that balance luxury with accessibility in Jamaica's real estate market. Alright guys, that's the end of the update. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Have a good day.